Welcome back to AKFX. This video will be taking a quick look at EURUSD. We'll do a recap on last week's trading, take a look at the idea I was put out, and dive a little deeper into some of what developed. We'll end with what we can expect in the near future. Let's get into it. Looking at the chart, we are looking at the 15-minute chart. Now I'm going to go to the idea I had put out on Sunday of last week. Here's what we were looking at. My initial expectation with that price would want to begin the week trading higher to take out some sellers who had sold late in the day on Friday, and from there continue its downward trend. I didn't interact on Monday at all. So at the end of day Monday, I saw the price pretty much just continued this downward leg that it began on NFP Friday. And so then my expectation was some sort of an uptrace. I liked this volume imbalance on the higher time frame to at least trade there. Potentially still higher, but ultimately to continue towards the downside. Taking a look at what actually occurred. As you can see, price dropped down on Monday, created an even lower low, retraced back up, and ultimately finished a bearish week. All right, now we're going to spend some time doing some analysis into the next week. that's it for my analysis. Just to do a little bit of explanation here, I do ultimately see this down move continuing at least a little bit into next week. However, I will be looking for a low somewhere midweek, and we'll be expecting price to chase buy side, first taking out its most recent week high, and then ultimately chasing this weekly fair value gap. I don't know if we're going to get there this week. It might be a lot to ask of price to both dig down this low and shoot up that high. However, not impossible. For buy side, I wouldn't really be looking to build a trade past this opposing order block, because you could very easily see a scenario where price wants to do this and then do that into the next week. So, just really focusing on what's immediately right in front of me, which is sell side below here and buy side above here.